guys, we're at the Marriott Mina House. This is right next to the pyramids, as you can see. And very nice landscape. This hotel used to be for dignitaries and special guests, and then it got converted into a Marriott. We can see the pyramid. Pyramids are right there, really close by. And then you can hear there's also a big Arabic wedding going on here. So big party. So really nice landscaping. Big hotel. They have a spa too. Spa is packed. Very nice design in terms of the rooms and stuff. So anyway guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. This is Cairo, Egypt, and let me know any questions you may have. Happy to answer down below. Thanks.